Good morning, my dear student. Today our topic is operations and Venn diagram. So this topic already I explained the operations of the set, and the continuing exercise also 2A will be started. So up to 3 sum will be finished in before classes. Now I continue that. So fourth sum, let the universal set U is equal to set X such that X belongs to W, that means it's a whole number, and X having the limitation less than 9, strictly less than 9. Also A is equal to the set defined by factors of 6 and B is the set of factors of 8. Find the following sets. So some other following will be given to find. First of all, you will write the given. First you take the universal set. Universal set will be given in descriptive form. You will taken in tabular form. So X is the whole number, that means started from 0, but the limitation takes place strictly less than 9. So the universal set having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 8 only, because 9 means the X less than or equal to 9 will be given, means taken the 9 itself. That strictly less than 9 means you stop up to 8 only, not to exceed the 9. And then A is equal to set having the factors of 6 means 6 having the 1 is the one of the factor, the next one is 2, 3, 6. So these are all the factors of 6. B is also having the 8 factor. Factor of 8 means 1 is the factor of 8, 2 is the factor of 8, 4 is the factor of 8, 8 is the factor of 8. 8 factor is nothing but the factor means what are the tables will be come by the 8. What are the tables come by the 6? Those numbers are called the factors of the 6 and 8. The next one, first thing, A dash you will find. A dash means it's a universal set minus A. First you write the universal set. It's divided by A set. Common terms will be cancelled in the A dash. Universal set will be taken for the dash means first of all the common terms will be cancelled, and the first term is the answer. The remaining first one having 0, 4, 5, 7, 8. So these are the answer for A dash. The next one, B dash. B dash is nothing but universal set minus B. The same common terms are cancelled for universal set and B set. The remaining universal set is the answer 0, 3, 5, 6, 7. The next one, A dash intersection B dash. Already you find the A dash value and B dash value, taking straightly for the A dash intersection B dash. So intersection means only you take the common number for the intersection. So common for these two set is 0, 5, 7. So no other common for else. The 0, 5, 7 is the answer. A dash union B dash means taking A dash straightly the answer, B dash answer. The universal set means taken all the number for the answer. So 0. I arrange the number in orderly. So I take 0 after 4, but this one having 0 after 3. Only 1 0 you will take. So repeated number will not to take. So 0, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the second term. So 6, 7, 8. Otherwise, you take first straightly for first number and second number, and then you arrange the third line. So you want means step by step you will do the sum, but I do the sum straightly to arrange the number. Next one, the second question, also verify the following. First of all, you will find some answers. Now you verify something. A point A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. First of all, I take the left hand side, A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash is nothing but dash means it's a universal set minus that set. Universal set minus A union B. So already know the universal set minus A union B means all the term in the A and B. So already know the A set and B set. So union means all the terms for the A and B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So these are the A union B. So straightly you will take that answer. And now common terms will be cancelled, and remaining answer in the universal set 0, 5, 7. The next one, A dash intersection B dash. This answer already you will find in before question. A dash intersection B dash answer is 0, 5, 7. No need to find again. So straightly you take the answer only. So now left hand side answer and right hand side answer both are same, therefore hence verified. B sum A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. So same method only. First of all, universal set minus A intersection B, you get one answer, and then A dash union B dash already you find in the before question, so straightly you take the answer only. Both answers are same, so hence verified. But C and D sum having the C also one of the set, but in this sum C is not to given the set, but you will find the answer means you take the universal set B A and B set having A and B set having C, or otherwise AB is straightly AB. You considered universal set is the C set. That means you find and check and verify that. So C and D I am not to do. So I skip that C and D. The next one, fifth sum. If universal set is given, A set is given, B set is given, verify the following straightly. So simple, A dash is equal to B. You will verify that. First of all, A dash you take left hand side. A dash is nothing but universal set minus A. Universal set and A set will be right. Common terms are cancelled. The remaining universal set answer is 1, 3, 5, 7. So B is already 1, 3, 5, 7. So straightly this is equal to B. So taking the left hand side, answer will be in right hand side B. So hence verified. The same for B dash is equal to A. Universal set minus B, you take one answer will came. That answer is nothing but your A answer. So hence verified. The next one, third one also, A dash union B dash is equal to universal set. A dash means already you know the A dash value and B dash value. That one universal set you take, that answer is called universal set, hence verified. A union B is equal to universal set. So A set and B set will taken the union, you get one answer. That answer is nothing but universal set. So hence verified that. So exercise 2A is finished. So everyone learn every sums. So no homework for you. So everyone study the sum and copy down in your note. Thank you children to watching the video.